Alright, so sama ko ulit kayo sa isang room tour sa Hotel Monticello. This is the Firenze Penthouse. So, we stayed here for an overnight stay. So, pagpasok mo may common area, parang living room. And yan. So, medyo makulit. Ang dami ng gamit. Then, there's 2 bathrooms. Bathroom number 1 is this one. Parehas may bidet and malakas naman yung water. And then you have the first room, single beds. Ayan. So, meron din siyang studied area. And then, wala masyadong view. Ang view mo yung hotel sa kabila. Overall, maganda pa rin naman yung experience. No? The food is always good here. And quite affordable for its price and because of the area. Pero may mga comments lang din. This is the master's bathroom and this is the master's bedroom. Ayan, si Daddy G nakahiga na. Okay, so pagtingin natin sa labas, meron siyang balcony. And ito yung isa sa mga problems na medyo na-encounter namin dito. So, on the right side of the balcony, nandun yung parang split type outdoor unit ng aircon. And if you are in yung parang single beds, maririnig mo yung ingay niya. Pero overall, masaya naman yung stay. So, follow for more.